as you can see, my voice has changed. I'm using a voice changer program, so I sound like a little girl. And Lewis is recording this at his house, because we're talking on Skype. I just don't have the equipment to record it.
Brandon?
It'll sound normal.
I don't want to interrupt you with the video, but I thought I would tell you that. I don't think the program is working because you just sound the same.
Wait, do I sound the same or I was a little bit?
You sound a bit different.
You sound a tiny, tiny bit different.
So, it sounds like totally different from what I can hear. I'm gonna call now.
Just try not to make us laugh too hard.
Hello, welcome to Childline.
Yes, please. Okay.
Sorry for the wait. Please hold the line. The call is important to account. Hello, you speak to account for a Childline?
Hello?
Hello there, you speak to account for a Childline.
Hello. I called before.
You called before, did you?
Yes, can you ask around? Because I need to word with the person I spoke to before. If anybody knows a girl India.
Unfortunately, you may come through to anywhere in the country. You basically, when you come through, you'll come through to a counsellor. We can't guarantee to be the same counsellor, however, we've all been trained the same. So, can I help you?
No, because the other person's the only one who knows what's just happened.
So, were you told to call back?
Yeah.
And what centre did you call into?
I'm not sure.
Well, if you're not sure what centre you called into, then you obviously couldn't have been told to call back a specific centre. So I'm quite happy to take your call.
Okay, you take the call.
Okay, so how can I help you?
Okay, well, I'm Indian, a 6-year-old girl.
You're Indian and you're how old, sorry?
6.
You're 6?
Yeah.
So you're a 6-year-old girl?
Yeah.
Okay, and how can I help you?
Well, basically, I told the other woman, because I live in India, and there's like soldiers, and my mum went out to get supplies, and then she got shot dead. I just wanted to tell the person that I've just found out that she's actually alive.
I'm sorry, you're breaking the vehicle. So are you saying you live in India?
Yeah.
And so are you calling from India now?
Yeah.
Okay. And you say your mum has been shot dead?
Well, she's actually not.
Pardon?
She's actually not.
I'm sorry, you keep on breaking up a little bit.
No, she's not.
She's not been shot dead?
No. I thought she did, but she didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
So what made you think she had been?
Because all the soldiers went into a shop at the same time as her.
I'm really sorry, this is a really bad line.
All the soldiers?
I'm only guessing every other word.
Every other word?
I'm only getting every other word of what you're saying. I'm losing you.
How can you lose me? You don't even know me.
No, I mean I'm losing the words you're saying on the call.
How can you lose words?
Are you on a mobile phone?
Yeah.
It maybe that the signal's not particularly good.
Let me hide back in the attic. Is this any better?
That's better. So what do you want to talk to Childline about this evening?
I'm alone.
You're alone?
Yeah.
Are you alone at home?
I'm feeling so lonely, baby. feeling so lonely. I could die. I like that song.
Okay, so feeling lonely.
Yeah.
So what can Childline do for you?
Maybe you can send a private chopper and I can go for a ride with Beyonce.
So you want to go for a ride with Beyonce?
Yeah.
Well, unfortunately, Childline can't arrange that for you.
That's a bit stupid.
Why is it stupid?
Because if I can't have a ride with Beyonce, then that's a bit stupid. My dad got shot in the bar.
We can help you with a lot of things, but going for a ride with Beyonce is not going to
Okay.
Alright.
So could you give me £1 million?
I'm afraid £1 million is their question as well.
I hate being a refugee.
You are sorry.
What?
What did you say? I couldn't quite catch that.
I hate being a refugee.
You hate me.
No, I hate being a refugee.
You hate being a refugee.
Yeah.
And why do you hate being a refugee?
Because I don't get anything good. You think because I'm black I can't have £1 million?
I purely can't give anybody £1 million. It doesn't matter who they are.
Just because I'm black.
It has nothing to do with black. I can't give anybody
Okay, so you won't give me a ride with Beyonce just because I'm black?
I haven't got £1 million.
You're just racist, Lily.
I think it might be an idea if I end this call now and call back when you've thought of what you'd like to talk to Charlie
It's really
about.
hard time right now. Everybody's dead in the family. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
What the hell, man?
Oh my god, that was funny.
Guys,
Yeah? It's still recording.
anyone else?
Sorry, the mic was muted.
Okay.
That was hilarious.
And it's good.
Should we stop the recording now?
What?
It's
We'll
still
stop the
recording
recording.
on the phone. I'm gonna say goodbye to you, like, channel.
Okay, guys. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm going to try and turn this wave off. 1 sec. Oh god, what's going on? What's going on? Ooh, that's a bit weird. Guys,
Yeah.
crap, it still sounds gay.
Should we stop it?
I can't stop it.
I mean, our recording.
Alright, yeah. Peace out, guys.